Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul. On this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace your rear lift support. This is for your hatch on the back, and say it's not holding up the roof all the way. You've got to help it go up and things like that. You'll want to replace these, and you'll want to replace both of them at the same time, the left and the right. This actually they have a signification of which one's the left side, which one's the right side. And so when you buy them, you want to make sure you put the right ones on the right side. So you may need a helper, you may need to hold this up a little bit while you go ahead and remove this, or it may hold it up. We'll find out. So to get the clips up, you're just going to take a small screwdriver or a pick tool. You're going to get inside there. There's a little channel. Just gotta go a little bit. And see, the one strut isn't able to hold the trunk up by itself for the hatch. You're gonna want to make sure to hold it, or if you had a helper to help you out. That's beautiful. Same thing. Just pop that clamp up a teeny bit to be able to get this to come free. So then when you've got a new one, or the new two, make sure you put the left hand one on the left hand side, the right hand one on the right hand side, and we just put it on in reverse, and where you're going to line it up, and remember your orientation. You're going to line it up, and you just have to apply pressure. It would be the same with the bottom one. You're just going to press it in until you hear that click noise, and then we double check that it works and goes up. A new one might be a little bit stiff on going up until everything gets worked out, or it's going to be harder to push down. So that's how you would replace your rear lift support, or the hatch support, on your 2018 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.